Tap to create Wix banner. So in order to create a Wix banner, you can click onto this plus icon right here, and then click onto the search and search in here for banner. So from in there, it will show you up right here under the wireframes, and we also have the section parts. So just choose which kind of banner you want and click on this. And then in here, we have this banners option. So for example, let's choose in here this 50% off. So just head over and then just drag it right here, and it should be able to be added right there. So it will show up right there into your actual Wix editor. So just wait for this to actually be added right there. So here is our 50% off. We can edit it to your liking. So for example, you can click on the stack and then just click on the element and open your inspector right here. So as of right now, the actual text color is white, so it's not really visible. So you can change out right around here. Let's change the color. And as you can see, here is what it looks like. You can also change the actual design of the button right there if you would want as well. So that's how you create Wix banner. Hope we helped.